This is Victoria from Blue Hand Arts, and I'm going to put the stamp on this finished work of Poppy. And this is the Poppy I'm going to put on the seal here, and this is the pre-mounted card. This is actually the silk paper on the board already, and with this shape. So I got this actually it's mounted already, so I did this artwork for that. This is actually one of my pre-class study for the Poppy workshop, and this is the masterpiece for painting. The workshop is going to be next, 19th on March, and Tuesday. We are going to learn that, and I said I can do and let you do a different color version for the Poppy, for the flower. Now I'm working on this one. It's going to be finished, and I want to show you more of color version. Here, actually, when I did, can you see a little bit of stain here? Actually, I accidentally dropped pins on that, and then try to use water brush to clean it, but still stain there. But here, it's perfect for name seal. For matching the size, I used a little small seal for it. So put on that, and this is fabric, a little bit take longer. Better I put this firm things underneath. It's a rubber pad. Okay, gently to put it on at the right place, and very hard to press it. Back, left, and the right. Make sure 4 sides and the center touched. I got. And hold this. Lift. Yay, I got perfect clear. And now it's done. And I clean this paper. Okay, and this is the mounted already card. Now it's ready for framing, and also it stands by itself. We have it for selling. I'm going to put it on our website for this plain one. If you like, you can buy it, purchase. It's sized, which means treated, anti-smearing, bleeding, no bleeding, very pleasant for painting flower and birds, and with this shape. Or if you are not confident for the directly for the mounted card, you can we have this silk paper, sell in our website. This is you can purchase by yard. This is width and by yard. And for this, you have chance to put the template underneath and trace it. You can see through, trace it, and then coloring it, then mount it for any backing paper. Okay, but for this shape, I bought, because not very easy to for cutting. I can do round one or a square one, but this shape, I bought the mountain already. Anyway, we have the different material to do that. Actually, excuse me. How to doing this on this main board? There are a couple of ways to do. You have no way to precisely tracing, right? It's mounted already. It's not no chance for the tracing the templates. But what you can do is for this you kind of put the line. I use the pencil of 8B pencil, soft pencil. You do the lines here. On the back of this, you can see through a little bit, right? Or you use the tracing paper, you can see through. On back, you do back. And then you use this tracing pen to do the line again. Then you understand the pencil line will from this back to the paper. It's a little bit stronger than charcoal. Then you leave it and you can color it, okay? Or actually I did this, see, a little bit from the sample, the painting, master painting. I just directly do that, use pencil to do the xie or general painting, gongbi painting like that, and do kind of a very, very thin line for the, use pencil and didn't do the brush line, kind of the mogu with no bone, with no brush strokes outline for that, because it's white flower. I want it to be soft and very thin, smooth. I didn't put a brush line there, and I just directly, put this there, plain cards there, and keep my eye up to see and down to work, up and down, up and down. I just do that. So a little bit, I did it some leaves, a little bit use here, and just do as reference to do. Okay. However, if you are not confident yet right now, we will have the workshop. See, this is the other version on paper. I do the red one, a little bit as like the orange red or peach color, dark peach color. So I did a different color version of that, and this is on paper. On this kind of sized paper, so you have chance to do tracing on paper, right? Shikata wing or sized paper. So we are going to teach this in next week. I mean 19th, on March 19th, workshop for that, and you are welcome to register for my workshop. I'm going to teach you how to do the line and the coloring, and you have chance to do different color version as you like. I will give you the template after registration, give you the template and tell you the code for the masterpiece for the color, for the red one. And the same way to do different color, just use different color, name for different color. And after practicing on paper for tracing, my experience is you feel you are capable, you got kind of the skill for doing that, and you can directly confident and on the board. So there's different ways on different media to do this piece, and very basically we are going to learn the skills at the workshop in the 19 March 19. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time, and welcome to join my workshop at March 19th. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.